Hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel. Heidi here from Chillin' with H, and in this video, I'm sharing with you a delightful vegetarian pasta dish. It looks like carbonara, but it's not. It's absolutely delicious, nutritious, and no meat. So, if you want to see how I make this recipe, gather up the ingredients in the description box below, and let's knock a pot. I'm using some frozen veggies, soya bits, and mushrooms that remained in the fridge. You know that little bit that remains every time you cook and you just tie the bag and put it in the fridge? Yes, that's what I'm using. So let's cook the pasta according to the package directions and drain. In the blender, I have the tomatoes, garlic, and onion, which I blended with half cup of water. Heat a pot and add the oil. When the oil is hot, add in the tomato puree and season with the Italian dried seasonings and chili flakes. Give it a stir, cover, and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the lid and add in the soya bits, mushrooms, and about half a cup of water. Stir and cook for about 5 more minutes. The sauce will begin to thicken up. Now add in the frozen veggies. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes. If the sauce is too thick, add a little water to prevent burning. Add in the pasta and season with salt to taste. Give it a good mix to coat well. Now usually everybody use the sauce on top of the pasta. I'm actually adding the pasta into the pot. I like it this way. Now sprinkle in the cheddar cheese and mix well. As soon as the cheese melts, turn off the heat. Here I'm serving it on a bed of shredded lettuce. It's a quick and easy dish and a complete meal with protein, carbs, and veggies, and it's oh so yummy. If you enjoyed this video, drop me a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, like and share, and don't forget to pray, exercise, eat, love, and be happy. Hey, thanks for chilling with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.